under Canopy. And there they go. They've opened their signature Canada flag canopies, flown only by the Skyhawks. We'll keep our eye on these two that are lower in the sky. And just like that, they have now made contact to form a biplane. Now the biplane is simply two jumpers stacked one on top of the other. The jumper at the top is piloting the formation in the direction he wants it to go, and the bottom jumper along for the ride.
That is cool.
Piloting this biplane formation today is Sergeant Frank Gosselin from Varennes, Quebec. His partner in crime, Corporal Alex Fortin from Petit Saguenay, Quebec. And they have just activated 6 smoke canisters, twirling it around in the sky. Boys and girls, a candy cane.
Oh, that is going to make a good video.
3 candy cane spirals, and there's the 4th against the blue sky. Beautiful, that smoke. 5th spiral, and I know they get dizzy at the 5th. 6. Trailing off at 6.5. Well, we'll give that a little one. 6 regular spirals and a baby spiral. How's that? For this biplane candy cane in the sky.
Holy crap.
Tandem 2.
Higher in the sky, we've got that lone Skyhawk, Private Alan Tigelaar from Edmonton, Alberta. We saw him earlier today with the flag. Of course, he's playing hide-go-seek with the narrator because he's still in the cloud. There he is. As he exits the cloud with a 450-square-foot Canada flag. He'll bring it home into the drop zone, but 2 hours left. Let's keep an eye. Here comes Corporal Fortin for his first landing. A beautiful soft landing, and here comes Sergeant Gosselin. And touchdown. They make that look so easy.